Stones, Too Fast, Too Furious, Furious 7, and towards the end, you can see two picture cars, including the globe from our recent blockbuster film, Jurassic World. As our driver takes us all to a jungle island just off the coast of Costa Rica.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
So now we can show you all various set pieces and props that were actually used in Spielberg's Jurassic Park movies, starting with the vehicle from the film on the right side of the tram. Side of the tram, that's the same mobile green lab you all saw hanging precariously over a cliff in that memorable scene from the Lost World Jurassic Park. And the Jeep on your monitors from the movie, there it is on the left side of the tram. Those of you who are fans of our Jurassic Park films, you'll recall that weather played a very important role in setting just the right mood in all of those films. But creating weather effects has always been challenging for filmmakers, especially since most movies are made